How do animals help each other? Animals sometimes work together to help each other. Even very small animals can help out a large animal. These birds eat insects that bite and harm the buffalo. These little shrimp help large fish stay healthy by cleaning harmful pests from their mouths. Most birds travel together in large flocks. Being together helps them fly in the right direction, save energy, and stay safe from other animals. A group of fish is called a school. This school of little sardines moves together to look like one bigger fish. The sardines are protected from large sea creatures, like these sailfish. These are just some examples of animals helping each other. Keep looking, and you may find more.